Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two keyword research platform, which is Surfer SEO and Ranktracker. So let's get started with the comparison and side-by-side review about the two platforms. So here's it. Surfer SEO in 2025 is known for combining keyword research with on-page optimization. Its keyword tools don't just list search volume, they show content gap, SERP similarities, and real-time optimization scores while you write. This makes it perfect for marketers and bloggers who want data-driven content, brief, and immediate feedback to outrank. Surfer also integrates with Google Doc and WordPress, turning keyword insights into actionable on-page improvement as you create content. Ranktracker, by contrast, focuses mainly on a keyword recovery and precise rank monitoring. It delivers keyword difficulty scores, search trend, and easy-to-read report, make it a strong choice for smaller teams or solo creators who need reliable data keyword without the extra layers of content optimization. And here's a very conclusion. Choose the Surfer SEO if you want advanced content focused keyword research with optimization guidance, but go with Ranktracker if you need a simple budget friendly keyword research and rank tracking solution. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.